TX Logistics was founded in the same year as Ticket to Ride, 1999. It started as a private company using the brand name Box Express and worked exclusively in Germany, from Germany's northern ports in the main. By 2003, the company was working through to Italy, and by 2004 had a subsidiary company in Sweden. Other daughter companies in Europe followed. Shares in TXL were progressively acquired by the Italian state railways, the whole being in Italian hands by 2011. It now has nearly 500 employees and a turnover of 250 million euros. This train includes intermodal units for Mars Logistics, which is Turkish and provides links to Istanbul via Ro-Ro ferries from Trieste. The locomotive on the train is a Class 185 Trax, a 15 kV only machine, but pre-prepared for conversion to multi-system operation. There are a few non-Mars trailers on the train. Intercombi is an umbrella organisation that owns several Turkish haulage and warehousing companies, the best known perhaps being Polar Express, as the name suggests, a cool chain business. There is little room between the eastern edge of the bridge and Mannheim Hauptbahnhof. Most freight trains use the new lines over the river, which deliver them to the western side of the main station, where, as we shall see, there are through roads provided for them. This arrangement is rather compromised at the moment due to renovation and engineering works in the station area and its surrounds. Mannheim Hauptbahnhof, as we see it today, dates from 1927. The first station, on a line from Heidelberg, was built on a tight site in 1840. A new station was planned in a location to take advantage of a new Rhine bridge, and was completed in 1876. This 1876 structure was rebuilt in 1927 with the facade we see today. The station had to be rebuilt yet again after World War II because of damage, and was comprehensively modernised in 2001. At first we thought that the new 187 Trax 3 machines were built with smooth sides, single voltage, or ribbed sides, multi-system or hybrid last mile. But no, all are built with ribbed sides, but some, to customer specification and for aesthetics only, have a taut tarp cover that can be screen printed and give the impression of a smooth side. Cunning. The Heidelberg tram has dropped us at the Fernmeldeturm halt, the very convenient stop for the television tower. Just east of the tower, the line from Mannheim Waldhof via Mannheim Käfertal crosses the Neckar and then the Heidelberg interurban tramway. In the background is the university city of Heidelberg, and beyond that, the Odenwald, the northern extension of the Black Forest. This is a northbound intermodal heading towards Mannheim Waldhof from Mannheim-Neckarau, and as such will have used the congested fly-under near the Hauptbahnhof. By the look of the consist, this is an Italy-Netherlands service of swap bodies. Mannheim Waldhof is located 3.5 kilometres southeast of the Hauptbahnhof, near the complex junction that is Friedrichsfeld Süd. The bidirectional yard, a hump for north-south and south-north like Antwerp Nord and Hamburg Maschen, is the second largest in Germany, being 6 kilometres long with an average width of 400 metres. It classifies wagons across southwestern Germany and distributes wagons around Mannheim, Mannheim Hafen, Worms and Heidelberg. This is looking towards Heidelberg, a straight run of 8 kilometres to reach Heidelberg Hauptbahnhof. In the centre of the screen is Friedrichsfeld Süd S-Bahn station. The simple two-platform station sees 5 S-Bahn services plus non-stop intercity trains to Stuttgart and Karlsruhe that travel via the university city. The pair of tracks on the right are now disused. They once served Heidelberg Freight Station, also defunct, although 4 tracks are available further east, where the lines from the Rhein-Neckarbahn run separately to Heidelberg. Perhaps the best-known landmark is the Alte Brücke, or Old Bridge, together with its gatehouse. There's been a bridge at this location since Roman times. This sandstone structure is the 8th on the site and is credited to Karl Theodor and known to many locals by that name. A rail-related activity you really should try is the Bergbahn, a funicular. This starts in the centre of the Altstadt and lifts you to the castle above, further if you wish. The best view is back over the old town towards the Hauptbahnhof and Mannheim, 8 kilometres distant. The main line, the NBS notwithstanding, towards Stuttgart is via Bruchsal, quite fast as far as Bruchsal, pretty slow thereafter. There is an alternative via Mosbach that's even slower, however the scenery along the Neckar is truly splendid. The train service over the line east of Neckar is a twice-hourly S1 from Kaiserslautern Hauptbahnhof through Mannheim and Heidelberg, continuing through Neckar and onwards to Mosbach and Osterburken. Trains stop at all stations en route. Our final stop is Hasmersheim, just south of Neckar-Zimmern, which marks a boundary. As south of Mosbach, we're in AVG territory, the operator of the Karlsruhe tram-trains. This is an S41 service, Mosbach to Heilbronn. In Heilbronn, the train runs through the street as a tram, a project for another film, we think. Thank you for travelling with Ticket to Ride around Mannheim, Heidelberg and the Neckar. We hope you've enjoyed the journey. Look out for other films in the German Railways from the Air series. Lots to enjoy. Do join us. Until then, it's bye for now.